The U.S. Kitchen Stainless Splatter Screen is like a superhero for your stovetop. It bravely fights grease and oil splatter. This fine mesh cover stops messy sprays from your frying pan. It also works great on cooking pots. The 13-inch size offers good coverage. This helps keep your kitchen clean. And it helps you stay safe from hot splatters. This U.S. Kitchen Stainless Splatter Screen has some cool features. It has resting feet. These feet let you set the screen down easily. They keep it off your countertop. The comfort grip handle is nice too. It makes the screen easy to hold. You can move it around without trouble. The fine mesh lets steam escape. This is important when you are cooking. It prevents food from getting soggy. Unlike a solid lid. Overall, the U.S. Kitchen Stainless Splatter Screen is a helpful tool. It is made of stainless steel. This means it should last a while. Cleaning it is easy, and it fits most standard pots and pans. If you often fry food or cook with oil, this splatter screen is a smart choice. It offers a simple solution to a common kitchen problem. It helps make cooking cleaner and safer. Pros: stops grease splatter, keeps stovetop clean, prevents oil burns, fine mesh works well. Good for frying pans, works on cooking pots, has resting feet, comfortable grip, durable material. Easy to clean, fits most pans, allows steam escape, sturdy design. Cons: feet might not balance, some splatter still, mesh might trap steam, cleaning can be tricky. Not ideal for all pans, can take up storage, handle not foldable, material could be thin. Features: stainless steel, splatter guard, grease and oil, splatter screen, frying pan, cooking pots. Resting feet, comfort grip, handle. This 13-inch splatter guard by U.S. Kitchen Supply is made of stainless steel with a fine mesh. It helps stop grease and oil from splashing when you cook in frying pans or pots. The splatter screen has little feet so it can rest on the counter. And it has a comfortable handle to hold. This 13-inch stainless steel splatter guard from U.S. Kitchen Supply has a fine mesh to stop grease and oil from splattering while you cook in frying pans and pots, helping to keep your stovetop clean and prevent burns. It has resting feet to keep it off the counter and a comfortable handle to grip. Made from durable material, it's easy to clean and fits most pans, while still letting steam escape. However, the feet might not always balance perfectly. Some splatter could still get through. The mesh might trap steam, and cleaning it thoroughly can be a bit tricky. Also, it might not be the best fit for all pans. Can take up storage space, and the handle doesn't fold. Plus, the material might feel a little thin.